Hello everyone, as you can see this is Corsair power supply, the model number RM750 750 watts. So we're going to open up and check what is in there. By the way, this is fully modular power supply. That means you can attach the cable if you need it. If you don't need, you can unplug it. And semi-modular, also some of the cables already connected, some of the cable you can remove it, and obviously non-modular one you can't remove any cable. Whatever comes with it, it comes, okay. So let's open it up and check. And before we get into the box, we're going to check what it says actually into the box, just to get some idea to choose it, either you want it or not, or this is the right one for you or not. But obviously, more watts gives you better performance for your PC, because nowadays into the gaming laptop or gaming desktop, or let's say if you want to do online streaming and stuff, obviously this one does have PCI graphics card, then obviously a lot of things in there, so you need enough juice to feed the motherboard and the motherboard would run properly. Okay, so that's why I choose that one. This is one of the best option for me, honestly. As you can see, this is quite heavy and lots of cable comes with it. We'll open up and check. By the way, we're going to check into the box what is in there or not. 2-pin cable, one of them, and then 8-pin 2 cable, and PCIe 3 cables, and one cable, the 4-pin one, and then obviously 2 SATA power lead, and then another 4 SATA power lead in one, another 2. Okay, so there were 4 connection SATA, then another 2 SATA connection in one connector. Okay, so that's the rest of it. As you can see, that's a 80 plus gold certified power efficiency, which is quite good, obviously, as you can see. And they use kind of the fan which is specialized to make it low noise. As you can see here, 135 mm rifle bearing fan, okay, which is good for low noise, obviously, and it can resist up to 105 degrees Celsius, industrial graded capacitor, which is from Japan. They claimed a special option which one keep the Windows 10 in standby compatibility, which is one of the best option, obviously. Currently I have one of them in my existing desktop PCs, and that's the reason I got it, because I liked it. So we're going to open up and check physically how it looks. So first of all, I'm going to open it. All right, so let's open it up and check what is in there. So that's the first look. So that is the actual power supply unit, and there is all the cables that I talked about before, and that is the booklet. So let's close it. So this booklet is very important. If you need to know anything about this product, you can get in there. All different languages, include English, Chinese, Polish, and a lot of them. Okay, and they supplied 4 screws, which one goes to the ATX case, and some cable tie if you want to maintain the cabling, which is good. And that's the actual power supply, quite heavy. And they're printed on the sideway 750 Rm. Okay, and also some more details about it in here. And as usual, this one comes with the switch, which is the main power switch if you directly want to shut it down. And this is the catalytic connector, one of them, to power in, and then to power out. That's all connector, as you can see. Okay, so this is 24 pins, some of them, and as you can see, and then 8-pin, a lot of them, and also SATA goes from here, and the PCIe connector here, and the SATA as well in here and in there as well. So this is kind of mixed up, and the metal part, I like it. The thick metal is more better because of the heat. Heat comes, you can absorb it quickly. And the actual fan is quite amazing, because they use the special kinds of bearing in there. This is 135 mm rifle bearing fan, tuned for low noise operation, and also all the capacitor inside, which is not visible that much, that is able to resist 105 degrees Celsius, which is kind of an industrial grade. And obviously those things from Japan, they claim. So this is definitely one of the top power supply for your gaming PC or streaming PC, whatever you want to do. Okay, and now let's open it up, this box, and find out what kind of cable is this. It open up that way. And first of all, this is the kettle lid, which is power lid, and then that is PCIe 8-pin connector, and then definitely this is the SATA connector, SATA power lid, 4 connectors in there in one connection, and another SATA, which is 3 parallel connection in there as well. And then this is the CPU and PCIe, okay, 8. Let's keep it in that size so we can identify easily. And this is also SATA, a lot of SATA connectors. We don't need all of them, but it's good to have it. And that is the one, if you have, you know, PCI graphics card, then you definitely need it. 8, okay, PCIe. And then that's the actual 24-pin one, and it's wrapped up with a kind of coil, you know, the mesh, plastic mesh, kind of nylon wear. And this is okay, but for cable management that is not nice, because imagine it, when you bend it, it goes kind of funny things. You can see the messy cables. Okay, so if you really want clean and, you know, crispy looking CPU, then definitely you need to buy the custom cable from either from eBay or Amazon. Okay, otherwise this is not too good when you connect to the motherboard, as you can see. Okay, but this is not too fat, is okay. Instead of flat, they put everything together in there. I definitely think they need to modify it, so in that way people don't need to buy additional custom cable. Okay, but anyway, that's the business. Okay. And this is also PCIe. Okay, 6-pin, 8-pin. If you need 6-pin, then you can 6. If you need 8, then you can make it 8, which is fine. And this one also similar cable, you know, that is another Molex connector. Okay. You remember the old CPU with the 4-pin ATA Molex cable? That's cool. Sometimes you need it, especially for the fans. I mean, the fans which one comes with the ATX case. People still does need this sort of things. Okay, so that's all about. Let me know how did you like this video, and if you think this one is good, let us know in the comment section which option that you like. And if you don't like, if you find any problem or any disadvantage for this model, leave it in the comment section so somebody can get some help from there. Anyway, this is my personal opinion. I don't advertise or affiliate with any company. This is my personal opinion. I hope I'll see you again in another video. Until then, bye for now.